Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Arsenal still interested in signing Melo. So our monitoring spirit let us know, say at the end of the summer, say Arsenal won't go back for that deal. You know, say it remains small, make the guy join us on loan, but it can't be like say Juventus sanction the deal. They can't go buy Denis Zakaria, they sell Kulusevski and Rodrigo Bentancur. So this Melo, they can't still live and say they still won't use him. But at the end of the summer now, the say the guy they willing to join us again, and we won't go back for the guy again. So at the end of the summer, we are sending a bid, an official bid for us to take Melo from the Juventus area to Arsenal area. Well, at the end of the summer, I hope say the deal will materialize. Emmanuel Petit, will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come as I call it talk, say it good make Arsenal sign a better striker than. At the same time, back on say, don't get me wrong. Lacazette is a good striker. He's very, very good. But he doesn't score a lot of goals. And if you want to win championships, if you want to win titles, if you want to progress, if you want to be a force to be reckoned with, you need to get a prolific and a clinical striker. So Baba can give us some examples. Baba can talk say when you check the top 10 goal scorers for EPL, you will see say like 4 did for Manchester City. Manchester City players did there. All of them don't score like 10 goals or more. If you check, you go see Tottenham Hotspur, you go see Harry Kane, you go see Son there. If you check, you go see some kind of club people. But Arsenal, how many people did there? No striker. Highest, you go see maybe Melo we don't score 10 goals. You go see Saka we don't score 10 goals. And definitely even there for the top 10. You know, about just top plenty. It is the duty, the paramount duty of a number 9 to be busting net. So that's why Baba talk say we need to sign an upgrade. We need to sign somebody else. At the same time, Baba can give accolades to Lacazette for what he don't do for us. But this little time when I know so we no buy reinforcement for January, we also go leave until the summer. Baba can talk say that summer, make sure see the buy person. Say if you hear the name like this, you go for. Our Paulo Dybala of Juventus go become a free agent at the end of the summer after Juventus agree say they no go renew in contract, say they don't get a replacement of Paulo Dybala. Say the reason they make them bring Vlahovic now make them take over that Dybala space. Vlahovic now all road will lead to Vlahovic for Juventus. So Paulo Dybala now is a free agent. So at the end of the summer, we'll know whether Arsenal will go for him or other clubs will go for him because he's a top striker. The guy is very, very good. Now match winner. He the influence game because he's a good influencer. And at the same time, rain the fall for we are there like this. So every rain the fall for Surulere Lagos. I don't know whether rain the fall for we are on a day. So maybe they hear some kind of background noise like crack. Rain the fall as they shoot like this. Lacazette don't come outside, can't they reply Gerard? Gerard they talk plenty things about Bukayo Saka. So now the same thing Lacazette they talk. Say Gerard don't know what they talk. Which one be say football is a contact. So when they break the guy like that, they may go to collect 16 surgery because he collect 16 surgery. This Gerard commented, it don't trend for social media. Many people don't get their take about the comments. Say why a coach would even self. He get one video where they come bring out say when he dey for Rangers. Now man he not even tell me that story self. Say when the guy dey for Rangers. Say in players they get injured like they fire them, they kick them. Say the guy can't come outside from media set, they can't complain. Say referee no they protect in players. You get that's what they be. Sometimes you don't make some kind of comments in the public domain. You go forget say you don't make that comment. Later you can't go make a contrary opinion. People can't go dig out your file. You know, go dig out the file. Once you say, Baba, is this you? Don't be talk this thing. Why can't come today and I can't talk this other one? So that's why they fire Gerard. Gerard never talk anything again. What they watch now? I know saying go get come back. He must talk something. My monetary spirit wey they call Gazzetta dello Sport don't let us know say Arsenal and AC Milan. Now 2 of them they compete. Say who go buy Noah Lang of Club Brugge. That Noah Lang, the guy still dey good and he's still there for Arsenal radar. So now at the end of the summer, because what we hear before say they won't use Noah Lang replace Pepe. So I never know whether that deal still dey in motion. Now at the end of the summer, because what we hear we say Noah Lang won't leave Club Brugge at the end of this summer. So once this season don't end, they will know what will happen. My monetary spirit for Spanish capital wey they call Marca, they don't come outside, they let us know say Luka Jovic they very, very desperate to come up for that Real Madrid because the guy feel say he no get future for them. And what you can give am the guarantee say he no get future now. When that Real Madrid match versus Barcelona happen for the weekend, because he say Benzema get injury. So everybody expected say that Luka Jovic go play. Me too, I expected that because I watched the match. Unfortunately for Jovic, they carry Jovic move for Benjamin, come put Rodrigo, a small older than 19 and 20-year-old Rodrigo. Now come to spearhead the attack of Real Madrid. Whereas we have a competent number 9 in Luka Jovic, competent for Benjamin. That was the straw that broke the camel's back. Because back on to say, so if Benzema get injury, una no go play me, una go play Rodrigo. I'm on the team paying Baba. So now they say Baba don dey pack him bag. Say omo abeg make this season quick end. I wan find my square root. I know say Arsenal are one of the admirers of this Luka Jovic because the guy has a lot to prove. If the guy come Arsenal, the guy has a lot to prove because where he dey before Madrid go sign like a post net like mad. As he can't go Madrid, can't dey under the shadow of Benzema. You know, can't get playing time. You can't lose confidence. Like the guy, no, the guy really needs a move, and I pray we go for him because the guy good though. He get presence, he get build, and he's very prolific. Gabriel will come outside and apologize to Arsenal fans for that in celebration comments. So back on say me we no vex, say in the very very jealous. You know say him be Aston Villa legend. Say me no vex, say na the jealousy na get the better part of him. Say mo just forgive am. Say in the see us entering the top 4, but they try to sugarcoat everything. Say mo no vex for because the guy. For those who don't know in comments we make, Baba thought say Arsenal celebrated against Aston Villa after they don't win. Like say they don't win Champions League again. So why they go to celebrate like that? Actually Aston Villa no be people be say on a good day they go beat them. So why they go to celebrate like that? And wetin make am come Melo himself, come dey humble, come apologize. Now because he be pundits for Talk Sports, so in fellow Talk Sports pundits they call Laura Woods, now come as I come floor the guy, come let her know say why you go talk to me like this, celebrate for football. Wetin be that now? If you score you suppose celebrate, if you win you go celebrate with your fans. Na normal level. They can't even bring out Agbola old tape where the guy dey celebrate. Even sef when Gerrard first come for Aston Villa, wey the guy come win in first match, they like celebrate like say don win final because you say Aston Villa don one kind bad form. As the guy come celebrate, Agbola they come bring the tape. Na Laura would bring the tape, play am, say Agbola come talk say yes it's good when Gerrard dey celebrate like that, say it means a lot to him. How can you be giving double standard? You know make sense. You go talk say make so Gerrard dey right to celebrate for him first win, but Arsenal no dey right to celebrate as they pursue top 4. People say them dey win. Come on now, you can't eat your cake and still have it. So that's why the guy no argue again. He don't come outside, come dey Melo, come say me na no vex. Yes, me na no vex. I was very very jealous. Even Kevin Campbell sef come outside, come dey chook mouth for that Agbola matter. But Baba come talk say he like the way Laura Woods dey floor Agbola again. Put am for that, give am brutality and fatality. Let her know say wetin him do, he dey very very wrong. You can't be speaking from two sides of your mouth. You get pick a side and stay there. So everybody don't talk about this Agbola matter, but thank God say he don't come to rest, he don't apologize, and let's move on. Let's let sleeping dogs lie. UEFA don talk say they wan abolish the financial fair play rules, and wetin they wan implement now a different rule now, and this rule be say you cannot spend more than 70% of your income, because some teams dey wey be say at the end of the season they are getting losses. You get, they don't check their financial books, they don't do accounting. Now loss then they get, they know they make any profit yet because they have a very rich owner. The owner will just pump in money, you get. So that is what they want to stop now. People know they buy players anyhow, 200 million pounds, 150 million pounds. They use money, they intimidate us. You know what happen again. You have to be spending from what you are earning. So you cannot spend more than 70% of your income. That's going to be the new rule, and they want to abolish the name. The name of the rule, they don't even name and financial fair play. They won't come out FFF, abi FFP, abi I don't know what the acronym financial fair play. Okay, FFP. So they won't carry that one. Throw away am. So they don't want them again. This new rule, they will give them a new name. It never they implemented now. It never coming to stay now. So then they work on it. So I just let you know how they go. As UEFA president Alexander Safarin, they let us know. So myself, I will let you know when they updated. They know nobody has no issue. So kind of thing for UEFA will go affect us in the future. When I say they abreast of it. Even this new rule get many punishment, because they talk say if you go spend above 70% of your income, you are going to be relegated from your league, or you no go play Champions League again, or they go deduct some kind points from your table from the points where you don't accrue. So these are the punishments they will give those defaulters. We will go spend more, or people will go find way around the rule. They will punish them. Emmanuel Petit don come outside come dey chook mouth for this Aubameyang matter, because even yesterday sef I go live and dey explain say why e be say anytime wey Aubameyang score for Barcelona, many Arsenal fans go come outside come dey insult Mikel Arteta. Why is that so? Emmanuel Petit sef don come outside come dey weigh in for the matter. So Baba come talk say Aubameyang went out and is flourishing, is progressing with Barca, fine and good. Arsenal on the other hand, we are not doing badly, we are progressing also. You get, we are progressing. So men I know they look and say because if to say in the fit to no score, because we knew how his form was with us. So men I know even they bring the comparison again. Men I just let sleeping dogs. Like if you feel you like to talk about Aubameyang or you love him, follow him and go to Barça. They don't force you. They don't tie anybody for Arsenal. You are not being forced to follow Arsenal or love Arsenal. You get it is from the heart. So if you feel you are placing Aubameyang above Arsenal in the pecking order, follow him and go. We will not miss you. Arsenal and Spurs don't send scouts to go watch Galatasaray winger wey they call Kerim Oktavlogu. So this guy is very very good. So they go send scouts when they go watch him. I don't know whether Arsenal will sign him for our team. I believe you're the scamper for the future. I don't really know. But for me, we don't need all this. Give us name we know already. Where they boss net to get. I don't need anybody who can come Arsenal and come say they want acclimatize. We don't need acclimatization. We need person for EPL already proven good to get back. Now we need. Darwin Núñez, maybe the striker of Benfica, don't change in agent just 1 week after he fired Benfica into the quarter-final of the Champions League. So Baba the talk say they plan to join Man City or Manchester United. So you never know how it will be at the end of the summer. So if better will just fashion this guy. Anybody they talk say no one join us, we don't talk him early. We could find another person. No, not go do the same mistake we do for Vlahovic. We don't want to beg people to come join us. If you don't understand our project or you can't trust the process or you don't want to join us, find your square root. No worry, we'll find another person who trusts us. And that's what it will be. By the time we have European football, at least we'll get edge over some kind of people. Get that's what it's supposed to be. Inter Milan, they're ready to sell Lautaro Martinez, and they talk say they won't buy Paulo Dybala as a free agent from Juventus. Listen, at them they rule. Now them be defending champions of Italian league, and then they're more likely to win. And this season, even though AC Milan still there for first, so it's still there between AC Milan and Inter Milan. So Lautaro Martinez, you know, say Arsenal self like the guy. Them one sign him before Chelsea come rush go carry Lukaku. As Chelsea carry Lukaku, then Inter come say they don't fit sell their two strikers at the same time now. What is this up now? So that's why we come free the matter. But now we say they won't buy Paulo Dybala. Even that chairman said now come as I talk say they won't buy Dybala. So if they buy him, then Martinez will fit fine square because they almost won sell him before. Even though we say Lukaku don't jack back. So now one hand the day at the end of the summer. I just like this kind of Lautaro Martinez because the guy is good. I like the guy. So what did the guy do Liverpool now? The guy that person will say they make chance, make way for himself outside. Boom, the wipe shots. I like the guy. I get one report when they fly all over social media where they come and tell us how much Bukayo Saka they earn. You don't go believe say Saka will be our star boy, they earn £30,000 per week. The only person they earn lower than Saka now be Nuno Tavares. Tavares they earn £27,000 per week. This one can't shock everybody. You know the highest earner for Arsenal, the highest earner now Party they earn £200,000 per week. And Lacazette follow up for £183,000 per week. So now Arsenal won't give Saka a new contract and they won't quadruple in contracts in money, in salary. And that means say they won't make the salary fourfold, like they go times them by 4, can't give her a new offer, which means I see they earn 30k now. Then 30k times 4, that's 120k. So they will just jump the money, go times 4. So they will offer Saka £120,000 per week, and truly the guy really deserves him for all the performances when they give for Arsenal, all the sacrifices, all the bruised ankle, all the injury, all the runs, all the hits and runs where they give him. The guy really did try. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. This is CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day as usual. Now game out.